You've been knocked down, betrayed, broken. Maybe life didn't just humble you, it crushed you. But here's the truth. The Stoics understood. You can't control how hard you fall. You can only control how you rise. So today we begin again. Because no matter how lost you feel, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus left behind the map 8 Stoic principles that will help you rebuild your life even from nothing. Let's start. The first rule of rebirth. Stop fighting the storm. You don't control the wind, you control your sails. Epictetus said, "It's not things that upset us, but our judgments about them." Your ex, your boss, your losses. Those aren't your enemies. Your reaction is, free your energy from what's outside your reach, and you'll find incredible power in what's left. Principle number 2, amor fati, love your fate. Life doesn't owe you comfort. It gives you what you need to evolve. The Stoic doesn't ask, why me? He says, try me. When you accept everything, even the pain, as part of your destiny, you stop being a victim and become the author of your own story. Number 3 is memento mori. Remember, you will die. You want motivation? Here it is. You're going to die. And that's not depressing. That's fuel. When you remember your time is limited, you stop wasting it on people who drain you, on excuses, on waiting for someday. Death isn't the end. It's the deadline that makes life worth living. Next up, discipline over motivation. Forget feeling like it. The Stoics trained like warriors, consistent, grounded, unstoppable. They knew true freedom is built on routine, not emotion. The alarm goes off, you get up. You don't negotiate with weakness. You train your mind like a muscle, and one day discipline becomes your peace. Number 5, seek discomfort. Seneca wisely said, a gem cannot be polished without friction. Pain is not your punishment. It's your purification. Modern life tells you to chase pleasure. Stoicism tells you to embrace friction. Cold showers, hard conversations, failed attempts, these forge the steel in your soul. Which brings us to number 6. The obstacle is the way. Every setback contains a seed of advantage. Lost your job? Now you're free to build something new? Got rejected? Or just redirected? Life doesn't block your path at asterisk is asterisk the path. Because Marcus Aurelius wrote, what stands in the way becomes the way. Don't escape the obstacle. Use it. Number 7. Control your inner dialogue. The Stoics believe the real battlefield is the mind. Most people lose there before they even step outside. So listen closely. What story are you telling yourself? Change, I can't too, I'm learning. Change, I'm lost too, I'm starting over. Your thoughts are not facts, they are choices. And finally, number 8. Live with purpose, every single day. Seneca said, it's not that life is short. It's that we waste much of it. Purpose doesn't have to mean some grand destiny. It means being present, showing up fully, turning every ordinary day into a sacred practice. Don't wait for life to start after the chaos ends. Your new start is now. So remember, when life falls apart, Stoicism isn't about being emotionless. It's about building armor from the inside out. You can lose everything, your job, your relationship, your direction, but if you keep your principles, you've already won. Because as long as you breathe, you can begin again. If this spoke to you, if you're ready to start over with strength instead of fear, comment, I begin again. And don't forget to subscribe because your new chapter begins here.